Hello KG students, how are you all? I hope all are doing fine, yes, and safe. Okay, children, so today we will be starting with a new chapter that is opposites in English. Okay, opposites. I think you know the opposites, right? Yes. So, in your English book, page number 65, you have got the opposites. First of all, you have to read this all the opposites and you have to learn the spellings, right? Look at the first picture, full. So what is the opposite of full? Empty. Yes, full. And what is the opposite of full? Empty. Then you have slow. SLOW, slow. So what is the opposite of slow? Fast, right? Next you have opposite of sit. Sit. So what is the opposite of sit? Stand. Then you have got opposite of tall. You have, what is the opposite of tall? Short, right? What is the opposite of front? What is the opposite of front? Back. Front, back. Then you have opposite of in. 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 In, out. In, out. Then what is the opposite of few? FEW, few. Opposite of few is many. MANY, many. Then what is the opposite of clean? CLEAN, clean. What is the opposite of clean? Dirty, right? So like this you have to learn the opposites, yes, and learn the spellings too. So in your English book, आपके English book में, in page number 65 and 66, 65 and 66, you have got the opposites words. You have to learn that. And in page number 67, you have got the matching. You have got the exercise in English book. इंग्लिश बुक में पेज नंबर 67 में आपको एक्सरसाइज दे रखा है मैचिंग. यू हैव टू डू द मैचिंग इन द बुक ओनली. आपको मैचिंग बुक में ही करना है, राइट? एंड दिस वर्क यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर इंग्लिश कॉपी. You have to do this work in your English copy. You have to write the opposites, draw the diagram. You have to draw the diagram too and write the opposites in your English copy, e-copy me, right? Day, night. What is the opposite of day? Night. Happy, sad. Happy, sad. Empty, full. Empty, full. In, out. In, out. Hot, cold. Hot, cold. Boy, girl. Boy, girl. Big, small. Big, small. Right? So you have to do this work in your e-copy, right? And you have to do the matching too in your English copy. आपको matching भी करना है in your English copy. These two work you have to do in your English copy. ये आपका कॉपी वाला काम है. एंड इन योर इंग्लिश बुक, ई बुक, पेज नंबर 67, दैट वर्क, दैट एक्सरसाइज यू हैव टू डू इट इन योर इंग्लिश बुक ओनली. वो वाला काम आपको इंग्लिश बुक में ही करना है, राइट? Then you have got the next chapter, that is everyday activities. Everyday activities, right children? In your English book, page number 69. Page number 69, you got everyday activities. Total 9 points are there. 9 points. You have to learn all the 9 points. Okay, you have to learn all the 9 points, right children? Look at the first point. Water the plant. Water the plant. Second is cook the meal. Cook the meal. Then you got wash the car. Wash the car. Then fourth point is fly the kite, fly the kite, right? Then you have fifth point, make the bed, make the bed. Then sixth point, do the washing up, do the washing up. Then seventh point, feed the animal, feed the animal. Eighth point, do the homework, do the homework. And the last ninth point, sweep the floor, sweep the floor. So children, these are the everyday activities. These all the activities, it is a part of your everyday activities. You can do these activities like do the homework. आपको रोज़ होमवर्क करना चाहिए. You have to water the plant. रोज़ आपके घर पे है ना पेड़ पौधे हैं, so you can water them, water the plant. You can help your mom with the cooking also. आप अपने मम्मी पापा की help कर सकते हो household work में. Yes, you can clean your room also, right? So these small works you can do, right? So these are your everyday activities. You have to learn all these 9 points. Plus you have to write it down in your English copy. E-copy में भी आपको ये 9 points लिखने हैं. Right? Write the heading and write all the 9 points in your English copy and learn it. And learn the points also. Right, children? Learn the each spellings also. Learn all the difficult spellings. अगर आपको कोई भी स्पेलिंग्स डिफ़िकल्ट लग रहा है, लर्न दैट स्पेलिंग्स टू. Okay children, so children, we had already completed these 2 chapters. First is opposites and everyday activities. So you have to revise all these chapters and do the work in your English copy. Okay children.